For us, though, we're still got some summer heat ahead of us, but look what happens when you change the winds around. You get the moist, cooler air off the lake coming into contact with that warmer air that's sitting over the land, and bam, you got some real cloud deck out there. Winds have shifted around now, and instead of out of the southwest, they're out of the northeast at 9 miles an hour officially at O'Hare. 63 degrees currently, and overall, we are seeing those cooler conditions, especially along our lakefront areas. The winds have been on the brisk side, but most of the windier spots that yesterday were over the Chicago metro have kind of shifted towards the east, mostly out of the south and the west. Those wind gusts in the 30s around Valparaiso and in the low 30s around Gary, Indiana. And we did crack 90, not only at Midway, but also in some areas where we saw a little more of that sunshine to our south. Kankakee topping 90 degrees as well. Officially for us at O'Hare, did crack 87 for a high temperature today, still 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year. And sunrise tomorrow happening right around 6:30 in the morning. Current temperatures, you can see where that lake breeze is kicked in. 70 downtown at Northerly Island, in the 60s in Kenosha and Waukegan, where they already didn't see too much of that sunshine today. More of the clouds have been hanging out towards the north, but still 82 in Joliet. So starting to see that northeasterly wind, and it is bringing in some low clouds towards the downtown core, as well as areas along the lakefront up towards the north especially. But overall, the cloud cover has been moving on in, and some of this is Virgo, which is rain that evaporates before it hits the ground. Some of this is just the radar reading some of the low clouds moving on in as well. We've been kind of stuck between sunny weather to the south and then stormy weather to the north. This front is going to move across the region for tonight, so with it brings a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. I think more of the thunderstorms are actually going to hang mostly in southern Wisconsin, not necessarily right around Chicago, but can't rule out a stray rumble of thunder as we get into the wee hours of the morning and the overnight hours as well. We're also tracking some tropical action as well. This is Nicholas. Sustained winds only 40 miles an hour, so this is barely even a tropical storm. It has to be 74 miles an hour sustained to be considered a Category 1 hurricane. But this water is quite warm, and it is just slowed to a crawl in the last couple of hours, only going 2 miles an hour northerly, heading towards the Texas coast. You can walk faster than this one is moving. This is going to be a grind because it's going to be dumping quite a bit of heavy rain in parts of South Texas, probably making landfall getting into Monday around Corpus Christi, Texas. And the concerning thing, not only is it going to dump a ton of rain and already seeing a lot of rain in areas already affected by Hurricane Ida, this one, as it gets towards the middle of the week, starts moving off towards the east and kind of following the same path that the very destructive Hurricane Ida did across the Tennessee Valley, hopefully not affecting areas really impacted in New Jersey and New York like Ida did. Back to our home turf, we are talking about seeing a little bit of line of showers and thunderstorms moving across the region in the overnight hours for tonight. Not much risk for these to be severe thunderstorms, most likely just getting a little bit of sogginess out there. Non-severe thunderstorms expected over the next 12 to 24 hours. In the future outlook, fast forwarding towards 7 a.m., there's still those showers and thunderstorms, again, mostly hanging up towards the north. By the afternoon, I think we'll see partly sunny skies around most of the region. Temperatures, because of that cloud cover, probably not quite as warm. Still pretty muggy as well. Notice that southwesterly flow. I think a little lake breeze, though, will keep things cooler by the lake. So while it'll be mid to low 80s inland, I think right along our lakefront neighborhoods are probably aiming for those temperatures probably to be most likely to be right around 80 degrees or even upper 70s. Getting into Tuesday, starting out with that southwesterly flow, so the atmosphere really juiced up. So temperatures probably getting up towards upper 80s, maybe towards 90, and then tracking that possibility for some late day showers and thunderstorms, especially looking concerning for areas in northwest Indiana. So we're going to be tracking this one pretty closely. For the duration of tonight, overall, the clouds are in place. We'll stay pretty cloudy. Overnight clouds and the showers and thunderstorms, definitely a possibility. Overnight lows vary depending on your location. Right around the lakefront, you'll be in the 60s. Inland, a little bit towards 70 for most of us. Tomorrow, not bad. There's a chance for some early showers, but otherwise partly sunny by the afternoon. A little bit cooler, still a little muggy. 80 by the lakefront, 83 a little further inland. And if you like it hot and sticky, well, we've got Tuesday for you. How about upper 80s? Maybe some spots near Kankakee will crack 90, and then cooler, more comfortable. And keep watching your eyes to the sky on Tuesday in the afternoon and evening for those potential strong to severe thunderstorms. We do crank up the heat again for the last week of summer 2021. I hate to say that out loud, but it's true. Next weekend, low end of the 80s and lots of summer sunshine.